If I were a bird, I'd fly all the way to you, no matter how far. And if I were a tree, I'd grow tall enough to see wherever you are, and I'll be soaring through a wonderland of love. There's just no telling how far I may go. I'll spread my wings and soar through the air, wherever you go. You know I will follow. If I were a bird, I'd fly all the way to you, no matter how far.